Hello, Daedalus. I hope my escape was entertaining to watch.
Who are you?
None of your business. Let's just say J.C. Denton. I don't see anything amusing about spying on people. You underestimate humankind's love of freedom.
No.
Hey, I thought you might like to know. Figured he was your type. A real hard ass. Maybe you should try getting a job.
Why are you asking me?
Bravery is not a function of firepower.
As I expected.
Then this will be a good fight. Come on, let's go.
Yes.
Sticks and
Oh,
stones.
no! Stay back! Ah!
He was a good man.
No! Stop!
What a rotten way to die.
No! 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 Get it off me! Get it off! Get it off!
That makes me one ugly son of a bitch.
Hold still. This won't hurt a bit.
What?
Don't you find this all rather fascinating? Well, do you have any idea what to do next? Do you still say there's nothing to chaos theory? Oh, who can say?
What a shame. Yeah, by the way, I saw your daughter down the street. She didn't look so good.
Oh! No! 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 I can't hold on much longer.